Hello friends, welcome to your own channel Let's Study with Rita. Today we will discuss about HTML language practical. अगर आपने सब्सक्राइब ना किया हो तो प्लीज कर लीजिएगा और लाइक शेयर जरूर कर दीजिएगा. So we will start now HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. इसकी हम ऑलरेडी थ्योरी कर चुके हैं और अभी हम इसके प्रैक्टिकल के साथ में टेक्स्ट की वर्किंग देखेंगे. तो अगर हम समझते हैं HTML होता क्या है, HTML actually is a web page creating language. HTML was developed by Tim Berners-Lee in early 1990s. Many versions are available in HTML language like 3.2 to 4.01, but the latest is HTML5 and it is developed in 1999. HTML full form is Hypertext Markup Language. If we talk about features of HTML, then HTML first point will be the HTML is not a case sensitive language. Means if you have written HTML in small but and the closing HTML tag is in capital. Okay, so both are equal working. There is no need to mention the particular case of the tag. Okay, so spaces and tabs can be used anywhere in the document. There is no restriction of adding the blank spaces within the web page. I'll show you the practical of this also. And the extension is .htm or .html. And HTML document is written in text editor like Notepad, Sublime Text, and we will do working in the Notepad only. Okay, so next is HTML elements. These are two tags, container tag and empty tag. Container tag always close with slash hash. Okay, and empty tag you are not supposed to write the empty tag, the closing tag of the particular. Next is tags and attributes. Tags control the layout of web page. It's a very big confusion between to students. What is the difference between tag and attribute? Tag is actually it controls the layout, how your text will be displayed within the web page. Okay, and attribute it shows the options for the tag. Means it provides the additional feature of the tag. If I say this is a flower, this is a sentence, right sentence, no issue. If I'll say this is a this is a pink flower, now pink is an adjective, right? So if I will not add pink, even then it will correct this is a flower, it gives a message, okay, ये flower है. So attribute enhances the functionality of the tag only. Okay, if I want to write, I'll show you the practical of this. So these are the working of tags. Now we will start doing its practical. See, this is the basic structure of HTML, like doc type HTML, HTML, head, and head closing body. I do one change in this. I write here capital BODY to show the case sensitivity. Next is this is the comment, and you can also write this comment with the slash and this sign. This sorry, angular braces and this side. This also you can use it. Next is P. P is a paragraph text. If I want to show the text within the page, within the paragraph form. Okay. And align. This is the attribute. I will not give alignment, even then it will show me the content like this way. Okay. Now this is my day 2 and whatever it is written here. BR for the break. Okay. Now this is the container tag, no need of these. I'll just close it. I'll just delete it. Okay. So this was the actually main structure. Basic structure में हम क्या include करते हैं? Let me tell you. This will be doc type HTML, HTML, head, closing title. Now closing head. Next will be body. Body and closing HTML. Okay, now understand carefully the basic structure of HTML. Doc type is actually the information to the browser that this is document is of type HTML. Okay, HTML is the starting of the HTML. Head, whatever you want to give as a heading in your web page it will be here in the head, and title that you want to give title to your web page. Understood? Next, we close the title. Now, in this, notice that the tag what we started first will be closed in the last. Like HTML started first and closed in the last. Same way, as head started before the title tag, within the head tag there is title tag, and we close the title tag first. This is also called that the last in first out. Okay, last में जो add किया था that will be written first. Next is body tag. In the body tag, you write what you have to show in your web page, the main content. Okay, that's why we say tag controls the layout, how your document will be explained, how your content will be shown on the web page. Next is closing body tag and closing HTML tag. This shows the closing. Now, every tag does not require to close it. Okay, sometimes it needs, sometimes it does not need. So here, this is the with the body with the tag. Some other tags like P for the paragraph tag. Align is an attribute that I want to give this text. This is my day one. This I want to be the center. And in B is for bold, I for italic, U for underline, and these are the closing tags. Underline U, I, B. As I told you, the last entered will be closed first. So underline was entered in the last, started in the last, and closed in the first. Next, BR for the break, for the new line. Okay, now we will see the saving of the file. I'll do file, save. Already saved. So what I'll do, save as. Save as actually create a duplicate copy of the file. Okay, so I want to do this on desktop, HTML1 text document. For the text document, I'll write here txt. Txt is the extension for the notepad document. Okay, why we will save this? Because when I have to make the changes in the file, web page file will save will show the output only. Okay, to the for the changes that I want to do afterwards, therefore that I need the textual file. So it's better to save two types of file. One is .txt, other is .html. .txt file is for the changes. Okay, so save it. After saving, I'll do h file save as, and one more main thing, when you are saving the file as .txt extension and .html extension, both files should have the same name. Okay, so here I will write .html. You can write .htm also, and I'll do here all files. Save. Take the path also when you are doing it. Okay, otherwise you will not find out where you saved your file. Next is HTML1. This is my file. Now see, wherever I have done, I'll open my notepad code and explain. See here, I wrote as a head, welcome to HTML what? It is here, the head. It is here, welcome to HTML world. Next, P paragraph is used. This is web page or whatever written here. Attribute is used to add additional format that is written here. Then after I gave align center to which this is my day one of HTML that is shown here. Then this is my day two as a paragraph form it is written. Then the B in the bold text it is written BR HTML stands for. Now let me tell you, if I will erase this from here and I have given two blank spaces. Now I will save this file. Now refresh this file. See, first of all, it was with the in the next line, but now it is in the same line. But in the notepad code, I have added two extra spaces, two extra lines with the enter button. Okay, but it is not reflecting there. So it means whatever you do within the HTML, within your notepad code, it will not affect, it will not show as it is as you are doing. For example, if you are doing color to the text in the notepad file, here in the notepad file, if you are doing color, the size of text bigger, or in with the any of the asterisk signs and everything, that will not be reflected on the web page. It will reflect only and only when you will write it with the tag and attribute. Okay, now I will add here BR. and save it. File, save, and this will be the, now it's showing in the next line. Yeah. Now I'll show you one more thing for the heading tags also we will discuss here. Let me show in this. P tag for paragraph, BR tag for new line, adding comments, HR for inserting horizontal rule, size, width, and heading tags. Okay, so let's do the working of HR rule. I want here, this is my day 2. Now I want HR only. Now I will save it. File, save. I'll check it's working. See, the line appear. This is the HR. Now I want to make the changes in the HR line. What type of that changes? I want that line should of height 20